Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use a flower claw clip. First, gather all your hair into a neat ponytail at your desired height, perhaps at the crown or nape. Then, twist the ponytail tightly from its base all the way to the ends, creating a rope-like strand. Next, fold this twisted hair upwards against your head, forming a compact shape. Finally, open your beautiful flower claw clip and secure it firmly over the folded hair, ensuring it holds everything in place for a chic updo. For a charming half-up style, begin by sectioning off the top half of your hair, drawing a line from one ear to the other. Gather this upper section into a small, neat ponytail at the back of your head. You can twist this gathered hair once or twice to add a little extra texture and hold. Then, simply open your flower claw clip and secure it over the twisted section, letting the rest of your hair flow freely down your back. To create an elegant low bun, start by collecting all your hair into a smooth, low ponytail situated at the nape of your neck. Next, twist this ponytail into a neat and tight bun, coiling it around its base. Once your bun is formed, take your flower claw clip and position it directly over the top of the bun. Make sure the clip's teeth firmly grasp both the bun itself and a small amount of hair from your scalp for a secure hold. For a simple yet beautiful side accent, begin by taking a small section of hair, about 1 inch wide, from one side of your head. Gently twist this section backward, moving it towards the center of your head. Now, open your flower claw clip and carefully attach it to this twisted section of hair. The clip should sit comfortably just above your ear or slightly behind it, adding a lovely decorative touch to your hairstyle with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.